Hey everyone, this is an unboxing here of the Mist Blue iPhone 17, which came out yesterday. Picked mine up about an hour ago or so. So of course, this will just be a quick unboxing showing off this color. See if we can get that on out of there. So of course, nothing exciting in the box anymore, except for it haven't been for a long time. Some little bit of paperwork. A nice braided USB-C to USB-C cable though. That's pretty nice. Of course, nothing else in there. This is a nice, very light blue. See the rails. I cannot tell my lighting if it is silver or if it is actually blue. It looks kind of like it's blue, but it might just be my lighting reflecting. But of course, you have your power rocker, volume, or your switch now. Power is over there. You have your new camera button down there, or new from last year, I guess. Our speaker. I'm sure one of those actually are a speaker. And then we have the USB-C. And of course, a nice, beautiful display. And there's our island. And a little earpiece there. Yeah, this is a nice color. Nothing too crazy this year, I don't think. I think last year, I would say I liked last year's colors better. But this is nice. It's not bad. This year, though, the phones are all a little bit heavier. I won't be able to tell that, but of course, I also have our camera and our flash. So that's even blue as well. Yeah, nice looking color. Nothing to complain about. Nothing crazy, but looks good. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Goodbye.